The Shapley value is a solution concept in cooperative game theory. Data scientists can use Shapley values to explain individual predictions of black box machine learning models, including random forest and boosting models. The acronym SHAP stands for Shapley Additive Explanations. Here we have a random forest machine learning model that we have already trained and connected to Knowledge Studio's explainable AI node. This will allow us to see the various explainable AI features in the software, including SHAP. We can use the SHAP node to investigate how a black box model makes its predictions. The SHAP feature in the explainable AI node supports two types of data visualizations. Let's look at the global SHAP visualization first. The global SHAP visualization displays the average contribution of each column in the entire dataset. Here we see the Shapley values for all the columns in the training set in a ranking chart. We can also see the local SHAP. This plots the Shapley values for a single row. For example, let's look at the output of the decision tree we have built on our training set. This will help us identify the row for which we want to plot Shapley values. The goal here is to filter our data and select a single row. In this node, we can see that there are 154 rows. Let's filter on the education column and look only for rows that contain doctorate. Now we see 3 rows of data. We select one of these rows and click Apply. Knowledge Studio now displays the Shapley values for the columns contained in our selected row. The columns that contribute positively to the prediction are shown in green. The columns that contribute negatively to the prediction are shown in red.